To me, the Good Friday Agreement is visionary, and the Good Friday Agreement is working again. Power sharing here in Northern Ireland, North-South cooperation is going to resume, and we're going to beef up and deepen cooperation between Britain and Ireland in the interest of everyone who lives on these islands. And really want to join with the Prime Minister in expressing our profound thanks both to Taoiseach and Sosny for the work they've done, their patience and persistence in recent weeks, and also to the First Minister, Deputy First Minister, and leaders of all 5 parties that are taking part in this new executive.
And it's fantastic to see, all the 5 parties in the executive working together with a shared agenda. Obviously asking for money, but that's you'd expect that. But also offering leadership now, and I think that's what Northern Ireland needs and is going to get. That's a priceless thing. The friendship that always existed, but the opportunity now is to develop, as the Taoiseach was saying, even more East-West cooperation and links, and that's what we're going to do. We have the British-Irish Council, we have all sorts of mechanisms, all sorts of vehicles for that cooperation, but I think the truth is perhaps in the last few years they haven't been used as much as they could, and we're determined now really to make a great success of that and take that forward.